Hello reception. Today we are going to be learning about doubling in maths. So we have learnt about doubling before at school. I wonder if you remember what it means to do doubling. Do you think you can remember? So I have my magic doubling hat with me and a magic doubling wand. And I'm going to show you what doubling means. So even if you think you know what doubling means, this will be really fun for you because you'll get to see doubling happen. Are you ready? Shall we try? Right, so first of all, I'm going to put 2 blocks into my doubling hat. Now my doubling hat works by me sprinkling magic over the top and saying double. And then the hat should give me double the amount of objects that I put into it. I really hope my magic works today. Are you ready? Right, so I'm going to put 2 blocks in and I'm hopefully going to get double out. How many blocks do you think are going to come out of the hat? What's double 2? I wonder. Are you ready? And double! So, here's the 2 blocks that I put in and I can see another 2 blocks have come out. So I've got 2 blocks here that went in and the same that came out again. How many have I got all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 2 that went in and 4 that came out. What just happened there? Oh, I know. The number gets bigger. So when you do doubling, the number gets bigger. Is that right? Almost. The number does get bigger, doesn't it? Because I had started with 2 blocks and then I got 4 blocks. So the number has got bigger. But what about if I put 2 blocks in and I got 10 blocks out? Would that be doubling? No, the number still has got bigger, but that's not what happened here, is it? I put 2 in and I got 4 out. So that's doubling. So we're going to write it on my board now so that we can remember what just happened, and we're going to try again with some more objects, okay? So I put 2 blocks in, we doubled it, and I got another 2 blocks out. So I started with 2, and then in total, I ended up with 4. So I can see that double 2 is 4. We've done our blocks. Now I'm going to put a pyramid in. So how many pyramids have I got here? That's right, I've got 1. So I'm going to put 1 in. What do you think is going to happen? If I put 1 into my doubling hat, I'm going to double 1. What would that be? Are you ready to find out? Ready and double! Let's see if you were right. Did you have a guess at home? I hope so. So we've got the 1 pyramid that I put in, and I've got another one that the doubling hat made. So how many have I got together? 1, 2. So I can see that I've doubled this 1 block and I've got another 1 out. So let's draw that so we can remember again. So I put 1 block in, we doubled it, and I got another block out. So I put 1. And in total, I got 2 blocks back out, didn't I? So I can see that double 1 is 2. So again, the number of blocks has got bigger. I put 1 in, and I got 2. So 2 is bigger than 1. So the number has got bigger, but it wasn't the same answer as the one above, was it? It wasn't 4. So let's see again. Let's try again. I'm going to use fish now. I've got 1, 2, 3. What do you think the answer would be? Double 3 is... Let's find out. Ready? And say it with me. Double! So, here's my 3 that went in. And I think I'm going to get another 3 out because that's what keeps happening, isn't it? That's right. I've got another 3 out. There we go. So shall we count them all together and find out how many we have? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that double 3 is 6. Let's draw our fish. 1, 2, 3, and we doubled it. And we got another 1, 2, 3. So we started with 3 fish And we know all together we've got 3, 4, 5, 6. So double 3 is 6. So I think I know what happens here. So when we had 2, we add 2 to it again, and then we get our double, which is 4. When we started with 1, we added 1 block to it again, and we got double, which is 2. When we had 3 fish, we added 3 to that number again, which is 6. So double 3 is 6. So I know that when we double a number, it just means that we have to add the same number to itself. So we start with 2 and we have to add another 2 to itself, and then it gives us 4. We start with 1 and we add another 1 to itself, it gives us 2. We start with 3, we add another 3 to itself, and it gives us 6. So doubling's super easy. Our hat just showed us that. Doubling just means adding the same number back to itself. Do you think you can try it at home? I think you can. You can do doubling with anything. You can do it with your toys, your books, you can do it with so many different things. And if you have a hat at home and a wand, maybe you could try making a doubling hat too. I hope you had so much fun learning how to double.